Well, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a new video, guys. So today we have a mod we are installing on the 335. You guys have probably already guessed it by the title and thumbnail of the video, but we are installing some side skirt extensions from Boost with Eric on Instagram. I'll go ahead and leave his Instagram down below so you guys can go check out his products. He sells some carbon fiber products for E9X and F3X chassis, other BMW stuff as well. But yeah, we are installing these side skirt extensions. Let me go ahead and show you guys what they look like. All right, guys, so here they are. They're pretty long, so I put up this table so that I can set it down on them. But yeah, it is some carbon fiber, as you guys can see right there. Some nice quality. So we're gonna go ahead and install these on the 335. All right, so I believe this is the hardware that we're gonna need to install these. Now, to be honest, I'm not too sure how to install them. It didn't really come with instructions, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to do it. Now, to be honest, I'm pretty sure this is for where like the jack stand goes, like this area right here. I'm pretty sure it's for like this part right over here, like where the jack stand goes. So I'm gonna go ahead and test that right now. So yeah, guys, pretty much it's looking like it's gonna be set up right here. So let me go ahead and show you guys. So it looks like it's gonna be something like this. I can't really hold up both sides just like this. So I'm gonna have to set you guys on a tripod and hopefully be able to install it. So I think I might have to jack up the car, or at least put it on the Rhino ramps that I have. So that way I can actually like get underneath the car and drill it. So let's go ahead and try that real quick, see what it's like. Alright guys, so it looks like we are ready to install it now. I went ahead, raised up the car. They are now on the Rhino ramps. I really honestly use these a lot more than the jacks, especially for like stuff like this, because now I can install these pretty easily. So I'm curious to see how this goes. I'm also gonna go ahead and clean up the bottom of this, so just in case if there's any dirt, I can get it off real quick. Alright guys, so I have it set up on the table, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but this side is longer right here compared to this side where like the holes are. So I have to figure out which way it goes on. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I think we're just gonna go ahead and screw it in and see how it goes. I'm really curious to see how it looks. Excited to finally get another mod on the 335. Been waiting a little bit to get another mod. Alright guys, so I have it lined up pretty good. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and screw in everything. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Underneath here, it has like these little holes to where you like screw into. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Screw into every single side. It does look like it extends a little bit out, just a little bit right here, as well as in the front. So I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like that, but that's how it is. So yeah, let's go ahead and install the rest of it. Okay. That looks pretty good. I'm actually really happy with that. Yeah, it's nothing too crazy. Definitely adds a little bit extra to the car. Yeah, it looks good. I like it. So it does extend a little bit right here. I'm not too worried about that. But yeah, it looks pretty good on there. Pretty happy with that. Yeah, let's go ahead and do the other side. Sheesh, that looks good. Wow, I'm super happy with that. That looks really good. It's really subtle, but it definitely adds a lot of character to the car. So let's go ahead, pull out the car, and put it in the other way so I can work on this side again. guys, so I don't know if you saw it, but I should have done a little cinematic for you guys so you guys can see what it looks like on that side. Now that I'm looking at this side, it looks really empty. So we definitely need to put this one on. I'm really happy with the other side though. Definitely adds extra something to the car, makes it look a little bit more precise. I don't know how to explain it, but it looks pretty good. So let's go ahead, install this one now. Pretty much the same process. We're just gonna drill in some of these screws that it came with into the bottom of it, and it should be good to go. Alrighty guys, so we got this side on now as well. This is honestly a pretty easy install. Nothing too difficult. You literally just need to jack up the car and then you can seriously just put up the side skirt extension and screw it in. Super easy. Definitely one of the easier mods you can do. I was honestly expecting it to be a lot harder than this, but came out pretty good. So yeah, this is what it looks like on this side now. I like it how it doesn't stick out too much, but it just kind of like goes with like the flow. Just adds a little bit extra to the car. Now guys, I think all that we're gonna need is a new front lip because this one is broken and I'm kind of like over the style of this one. So we're definitely gonna need to find a new lip soon. But yeah, other than that, like the car is coming together cosmetically. Definitely super happy with it. Really digging it. Let's go ahead, film a quick little cinematic for you guys and then hopefully end the video there. But yeah, if you guys are interested in these side skirt extensions, I will leave a link to them down below. They are from Boost with Eric on Instagram. So yeah, I will leave the link down below to these so you guys can check them out if you want them as well. But yeah, anyway, let's go ahead, jump into the next part of the vlog. Alrighty guys, so I ended up hanging out with one of my friends for a little bit, but that is the end of the video. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that install. I really enjoyed the side skirt extensions. It looks really good. Really happy with it. Excited to actually have another mod on my car. I need some more mods. I just don't really know what else to do. There's like just kind of like running out of things to do. So trying to figure out what to do with the car. Maybe it's time for a project car soon. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to go give it a like and subscribe down below. It would really help me out, guys. And also make sure if you guys are interested in that same side skirt extension, I will have the link down below, so definitely go check it out, guys. But yeah, without further ado, remember to stay safe, stay happy, and stay in that project car. I will catch you guys later.